right, y'all, so I just got my car back from my tuner. We did not install the tune. We are waiting on Whipple, as you can see, but everything is great. We fixed the harness issue. It's perfect. They just really beefed it up. Look real nice. Gotta get some gas here. So a couple things. So right now I got stock headers. We're getting ready to upgrade those. We're gonna get the Cook's long tube headers. So we're gonna do the Cook's long tube headers. We gotta get that smaller pulley on there. And then we might end up doing E85. And then I'm also gonna get those Whipple competition air boxes. Like I said, it's just gonna help with the increase of airflow. It's not gonna be significant. I can do well with the stock ones I have right now, but I just wanna overall beef everything up. But again, the harness is man, they did a great job. I'm getting ready to show you guys in a second. Boy, this thing was empty. But I purposely kind of did that too. I was like, man, I ain't gonna be driving it. Let me go ahead and leave this thing on half. All right, so this is the old rinky-dink fuse holder. Also, the wire that was in there, the one that Whipple had provided and everything, it just wasn't enough. So what they did, they gave me bigger wires, different fuse holder and everything. So this is beefed up, man. So now this is running and we're chilling, man. So now they also, like, they tested it. They said, hey, we ain't gonna lie, we beat on it a little bit, and then we made sure it got hot outside, and then we still was getting on it. So it's able to withstand the temperatures, you know what I'm saying? No high IATs, and it's running like a champ. Ooh, Lord knows I don't need nothing bad to drink, but I gotta get me something for this road. Boy, I'm about an hour from the house. Yeah, it's been a little while, but they're still waiting on Whipple, and they're trying to communicate with them. It's been about a week. Definitely gonna get this Gatorade. Nah, I don't want the Glacier Freeze. But it's been about a week, and they're still communicating with them and trying to get an update on when the tune is gonna be available. Even though they said tuning is available, there's still a process they have to go through to, you know, send the tune and everything. So we're just waiting on that. But again, man, these upgrades is gonna really help the car. It's getting ready to boost it to a different level. So I'm so excited for this. Oh yeah, she's back. Oh yeah, she popping and everything. Oh my God. I probably should pay attention to the road. See you guys. So it's responding beautifully, man. It's back to how it was when I first got it, because it was literally operating at half capacity, not having the full cooling effect of that intercooler pump, man. So she's back, bro, and she is better than ever, man. Lord have mercy. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm telling you, man, y'all gotta do this, bro. This is like having a supercar, bro. Everybody ain't gonna look at it exactly the same, but I'm telling you right now, you get the same performance as a Lamborghini, as a C8 Z06, as a GTD. Like, bro, it is there. All the power you want. Beefy exhaust, you know what I'm saying? It's just endless power. Endless power, bro. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we back. We back. Woo! I'm excited because this is exactly what I needed. And I really appreciate those guys at Attitude Streetcar, man. First drive with the car, yeah, it was everything. But I kind of wanted to drop this little gem just for anybody who's looking to do this with the S650. Make sure you guys beef up your wiring harness. Like, the stock one is not gonna cut it. I'm gonna be real with you. It's gonna end up burning out. So what we ended up doing, we got a thicker wire, and he just went crazy on the actual like fuse holder. It's beefed up. It's gonna take a beating. I'm not gonna beat down on it, but it's amazing, bro. So when I first found out that the tune wasn't gonna happen today, I was a little bit, actually, when I just found out that they weren't able to get the tune, I was a little upset, but not really. I mean, things happen, bro. It's really not on them, it's on Whipple. You know, don't announce that everything is unlocked and then we over here waiting a week and nothing happened. So again, let me show you this. So look, wimpy, this is all they gave you. Look at this little wire. Look at this tiny little fuse holder and stuff like that. Check this out. Boy, when I tell you it's an upgrade, I'm just gonna mount it myself. I know they had it placed in like right there, just unclipped right there. But when I tell you, massive upgrade, helping with the performance. I gotta clean this thing off, by the way. Ignore me. But it's running. That's been my main issue right there. It's just that intercooler pump. Just without it, just not being able to like flow adequately, and always having this short out. It just caused me a lot of problems. So, you know, we're done with that. We're moving on to the next thing. This car is gonna be extra reliable, man. So I just wanted to provide y'all with this update, man. And really, I'm telling you, when you first get the car, do not go with this. I'm telling you, you're gonna run into the same issues. And I'm getting ready to change the pulley. Like I said, we're getting ready to go on the smaller pulley. I'm getting the Whipple competition air boxes. Then we're gonna do the long tube headers. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm not selling this car for a C8 Corvette anytime soon. I put in over $20,000 on this car, so we're gonna keep it. All right, we're gonna keep it for a good little while. I'm gonna take it all the way to the end. I might upgrade to stage 2. We're probably gonna do a new fuel system and everything. So there's a lot of different things that we're getting ready to take care of. So y'all stay tuned for that shit, man. This next video, man, we're gonna be right back on the dyno jet. We're gonna get this tune installed. Probably gonna include some install some more performance mods. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. Make sure you guys drop a comment below if you guys had any setbacks or you have any more questions on what's going on, you guys. I'm real tuned in. I'm real tapped in, talking to the guys that talk to the guys that talk to the guys. I ain't say a lot of fucking nothing. Pretty much not. My shop guys are talking to Whipple. Those guys are talking to Ford. So if you guys have any questions, man, I'm gonna give it to you guys. Just drop it down below. Follow me on Instagram. It's @MarkJimmy. I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated, and we're gonna get to this next video. And I'm gonna give you this exhaust clip right now. One time, yeah. Anyways, y'all, love you. See you in the next video.